Hello everybody, this is Wexli with BMW of Lafayette. So when you come to our center, this is how it starts out for you. As you pull up to our doors, you get up to about 2 foot from the door, it will open for you, inviting you into our service drive. Unlike right now, we have a car in the drive. If there's no car in the drive, we ask you to drive all the way to the front as far as you can. Once you park your vehicle, myself or Jared will come out and they'll greet you. We'll meet you at the door and we'll invite you into either Jared's office or my office. And when you'll come into our center, Service Advisor station, we'll invite you to have a seat or stand if you're more comfortable. You'll give us the key. This is our key reader. We use this key reader to determine the services that are due for your services today and give us any other information. And then as you sit down, we'll discuss those services. We'll give you pricing, and then we'll talk about any other information that might come up at that time. And then after about 5 minutes or so, we'll have a repair order to present to you and a signature from you, and we'll be on our way. And then after that is completed, while the vehicle's in the shop, the technician will do the multi-point inspection, and they will be doing a video experience that they can send to you, talking about your vehicle, what we see, and any recommendations we have to make, and that will be sent to you. And we'll use that as a communication device to be able to talk back and forth, either through messaging or phone calls about the work to do that we would recommend. So we look forward to seeing you next time you come into our center, and happy motoring.